Assalamu alaikum, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you what I have in this makeup case. This is my traveling case and I bought it from Kate Spade almost 3 or 4 years ago. So I take this wherever I go and it holds a lot. That's what, it's great about this case. And also it's not like very sturdy. It's like a canvas, and but like it's just great to hold a lot, honestly. So, and I feel like my stuff is always secure in it. I never had any problem, nothing broken, all that, and size is great, so I'm just gonna open it. I was just trying to put this away, so मैंने सोचा कि मैं आपको दिखा दूँ कि इसमें है क्या. तो oh wow, okay, so इसमें basically ये palettes, I don't know why, Charlotte Tilbury का palette है. It's a full size palette, and then I have Bobbi Brown, Molten, I don't know why, then a YSL palette, then my Too Faced palette. ये मेरा जो है travel size palette है. Then I have Marc Jacobs and MAC. So I don't know why. So this is a cream, like it's not a hand cream, it's basically a facial, face cream. It's from Australia. It's an Australian brand. I got it from FabFitFun ads on, I believe. So ये भी है. It's a kind of like a moisturizing cream, so I use it before makeup. So yeah. And then I have this mascara, and this mascara is actually from Estee Lauder. It's a travel size thing, so I usually get travel size stuff for free, so which I usually carry wherever I go. I don't like carrying my full-size products, so this is it. And then this is a pocket. I usually keep my sheet mask and like my shampoo and all that in this one. So when I'm traveling, I do not carry my full-size bottle. So this is live-in proof shampoo, and then this is Amica shampoo and conditioner, which is great. So I had more, so this is what left from that trip. So I believe I went to cottage last time. So जब हम cottage गए थे तो वहाँ पे जो है हमने मतलब 3 days का trip था, 2 days का, तो मैं ये वो लेके गई थी वहाँ पे. तो खैर फिर ये ज़िपर है. ज़िपर जो है पूरा खुलता है और नीचे से फिर ये नेक्स्ट पोर्शन जो है इसका बन जाता है. सो दिस इज़ अनदर लाइक इट्स अ बिग सेक्शन हियर, राइट? सो this is my live-in proof styling cream. Like it's a deluxe sample size. This is shea butter for babies. So this is for my daughter. She get eczema sometimes, so like मुझे इसको रखना होता है हर जगह अपने साथ, तो ताकि उसके जो है उसकी स्किन को रिवाइव कर सकूँ, उसकी स्किन को डैमेज ना हो कोई भी. तो I use this shea butter. It's perfect for babies. I bought it from Winners, by the way. And then I have this Tarte palette. It's a travel size palette. This is my one of the most favorite palette for traveling. So this one goes everywhere, and this has darker shades, 2 of them brown and burgundy, and then 3 light 4 lighter shades, 2 matte and 2 shimmery, and it's perfect. So then I got this hand cream. I cannot live without hand cream, so hand cream is must have. This go everywhere with me, in my handbag and like wherever I go. Then there's a Laura Mercier translucent powder, and this is also a travel size. It's deluxe sample, basically travel size. Thoda sa chota hota hai. This one is like a proper size. So, and then this is SPF. So it's a SPF powder, kind of like a क्या कहते हैं उसको, setting powder type thing. So sorry. So whenever I use मेरे हाथ से कैमरा गिरने लगा था. तो ये मैंने Amazon से ली थी. I will link it down below if you want to buy. These are some samples from Sephora, maybe Nordstrom if I'm not wrong. It's a moisturizing cream. And then this is JM Solution. It's a water luminous jelly cleanser. This goes with me because I do not use soap on my face. So yeah. This is Dr. Brandt anti-aging exfoliant. So it was a deluxe sample, so this goes as well, just in case. And this is sleeping mask by Laneige, and this is water sleeping mask. I carry travel size because it was 2 days trip, so I just need it for 2 nights. And this is my bifacial Lancome makeup remover, which is great. I really like this one. Then hand sanitizer. This one is sealed, so I probably never used it because I got the different, more. So this smells so amazing. And then this is my favorite It Cosmetics CC cream. It has SPF 50, which is great for summer, so I use it all the time. And then this NARS palette. So this is a perfect palette for traveling. You get everything all together. You see like a bronzer, a blush, and highlighter, and which is great, right? So you don't have to carry like a lot of products. So that's what I like about this palette, that it has everything. So yep, I got this one. Then this is a Milk makeup lip balm, like tinted lip balm. So it's a very pretty nude shade. I really like it, and this is very moisturizing, so I just use it most of the time to keep my lips hydrated. So yeah. And then makeup brushes. So this is my blush brush, the golden one, but this is my Charlotte Tilbury brush for highlighter, and this is my foundation brush. This is from Sephora. So नेक्स्ट माई एस्टे लॉडर नाइट रिपेयर, एडवांस नाइट रिपेयर, जो क्रीम मैं रात में यूज़ करती हूँ. दिस इज़ Laneige lip balm, lip mask, so which I used overnight, and which is great. And then again, more samples from Nordstrom, and this was a highlighter, and these are moisturizing creams, so which I think I didn't use it, I just kept it. So I have another brush. This is my bronzer brush, and this is from Sephora. Sephora, and yeah, so this is Laura Mercier foundation primer. I really like this primer. It gives you a very pretty glow underneath your foundation, so it's great. And then this is my inhaler, which I carry everywhere. So yeah. And then we get more brush, and yeah, so this brush is basically is my blush brush. So basically I carried 4 brushes, one for my blush brush. This is from Bobbi Brown. This is from Sephora. It's bronzer brush, highlighter brush by Charlotte Tilbury, and foundation brush also from Sephora. And this is Tarte eyeliner. So this is actually a full-size thing. And this pocket we have here, we do have stuff here. So let's see what we got here. Yep, so we got pencils. So these are my lip pencils, and these are from Smashbox. So I carried 3 different colors: pink, and beige, which is a little bit neutral peachy, and then red. So I got 3 lip liners with me. I like these liners because you don't have to worry about sharpen them. So yeah, it's great. Number, I can't see the shades right here. I'll mention in the description box. If you're interested, you can ask me any question and I will answer you. And this is my brow fixer, like a brow freeze type thing. That's also from Sephora. So in this pocket I have my nail filer. So see, you get everything like in place and nice and organized. So these will go back. And let's see what we have. In the other pockets we have like more different pockets. These are smaller ones. So like I think I see something here. So this one is dental floss hai, which is very important. And then yeah, that's it. So yeah, these are this is my makeup organizer case, my traveling case, which I carries a lot of stuff. See, I mean, like, I don't know why these palettes were sitting in my case. Like, I'm probably like I was doing something and then I put them back. Just मुझे टाइम नहीं मिला होगा रखने का, तो मैंने ठूस दिया इसके अंदर. So I don't know why I did that. So anyways, that's all for today, and I hope you liked the video, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys soon. Bye bye.